I would just directly jump into some things that really changed my life and some things that I perform like try to do every day. The first one will be Kaizen every day. By Kaizen, I mean that until the second year of my college, what I really used to feel was okay, life is great. I have my friends, I have my family, everything is good. I don't need to be really ambitious, but somehow, through certain circumstances, I read this quote somewhere, or I watched a video, or I watched, or or I watched this. Can you hear the
Yeah, it's
honks?
okay. It's okay. Mhm.
Okay, okay. So I watched this video someday which said that your mind is like a garden, okay, and if you don't plant something over there, the weeds starts growing. And similar to the garden, human beings are, made the certain ways. If we are not moving forward, we are moving backwards. And that really inspired me to take action. I just knew that if I don't invest in myself or have certain goals in my
Yeah,
life, I would just
Kushi,
be like
Kushi, just a
depending on
second.
somebody. Yeah.
Just a second. I think those who are not speaking, can they mute themselves, please? Uh, I think this one, Zoom is not allowing me to selectively mute. Okay. Kushi, you can continue, please.
Okay. So from that, I decided that, what, I have to start working and I need to have goals for myself, not for monetary reason or any reason, just for myself. And by God's grace, now I've fallen in love with it. And one of the things that I do every day in my profession is to Kaizen, to learn something new every day, even if it's like by 1% or 0.1%. So that has become a regime in my copywriting career, in my career as an entrepreneur, in every way. So now coming to the second slide, he is one of my idols, Tony Robbins. Okay, and this quote has really helped me a lot, that life is not happening to you, it is happening for you. So what I mean by this is like we always are in a constant victim mentality. Okay, that something is happening to me, he did this, she did this, my family is this way. Okay, or I'm not getting work immediately, something wrong is happening in my life, I'm not built this way, I'm not that smart, she's better than me. So I think we face a lot of such, we have all these limited mindsets that everything, we always are in a victim mentality. So by this quote, I just feel that no matter what, okay, I might just have so many backlogs in my coming future, but it's something that is directing me towards my right path. So something that has really helped me along the way to have patience, to have that self belief is this particular quote. Every time when I have a bad day at night, I feel this quote will helps me sleep better. Coming to the next slide. uh, Okay, so now I want to focus on consistency. Okay, I have written over here, a smart man practices consistency, but a wise man practices consistency plus feedback. Okay, we always say that, there's a really, quote that goes around that, a person who is working hard is better than a person who is talented. But I want to mold that quote a little bit that yes, hard work is great, consistency is great, but if you are not constantly testing yourself as to what is working and what is not, and adjusting or improving and taking the feedback and just altering maybe when it comes to your life, your behavior, when it comes to your profession, constantly testing what is working in the market for yourself with clients, in life in general. I think consistency does not do that much. But if you mix both consistency and feedback, I think you can actually move faster and quicker towards your goals and dreams. So this is something that has really helped me do it for my clients as well, do it for myself, and in life in general.
Yeah. Uh, Kushi, if we can, fast track it little bit, because I think we are we have consumed most of the time.
Sure,
So
sure.
let's fast track it. Yeah.
Sure. Sure. This is passion is energy. Okay, I feel that this has something that has always helped me in my life. But by this, what I mean is that whenever I'm talking to somebody, okay, whether it's in my friendships or in my professional relationship, supposedly I'm talking to a person who sells sugar. Okay, I always, it's something that is very, I do it very intentionally. It is not something very unintentional, and it is something that I have, I just do it naturally, is that to show more passion towards the other person, their ideas, then they feel for themselves, for their own organization. So the passion can also take you a long way when, if your passion is reflected through the way you talk, the way you do your work. So I think passion has always been my USP.